What is leverage? Leverage is a powerful financial tool that allows traders to increase their market exposure beyond their initial investment. In the context of EXOLO Futures, leverage enables you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, which can amplify both potential gains and losses. How leverage works in trades. When you use leverage, you are essentially borrowing funds to increase the size of your trading position. For instance, if you have $1,000 and use 10x leverage, you can control a position worth $10,000. Leverage magnifies your profits if the market moves in your favor, but it also increases your losses if the market moves against you. Benefits of leverage. 1. Increased potential for profit. By controlling a larger position with a smaller investment, you can potentially earn higher returns. 2. Capital efficiency. Leverage allows you to allocate your capital more efficiently, using less to control more. 3. Flexibility. Traders can take advantage of more trading opportunities without needing to fully fund each position. Using and adjusting leverage on EXOLO Futures app. Step-by-step guide. Access the Futures trading interface. Tap on Futures from the bottom menu to open the Futures trading interface. Adjust leverage. Click on the leverage button located at the top left of the interface to open the leverage adjustment panel. Set your desired leverage. Use the plus and dash buttons to increase or decrease your leverage. Alternatively, use the slider below to set your desired leverage level. Confirm your selection to apply the new leverage setting. Important considerations. Pair-specific leverage. Each trading pair on EXOLO Futures has a different maximum leverage limit. Ensure you check the specific leverage available for the pair you are trading. Risk management. Higher leverage, higher risk. While increasing leverage can amplify profits, it also significantly increases risk. Losses can exceed your initial investment if the market moves against you. Use leverage carefully. It is crucial to understand the risks involved and to use leverage judiciously, especially if you are new to trading or unfamiliar with the market dynamics. That's how simple it is. That's it! You are all set to start using EXOLO Exchange. Feel free to reach out our support team.
Secure your crypto journey with EXOLO.